Hi, I'm Jerry Lee, CEO at Innatrix, located at RTP, North Carolina. We are developing eco-friendly and durable products to control some critical crop disease. I grew up in Shandong province in China, in a small village farm. I had really enjoyed working in my parents' farm when I was a small child. However, some pathogens wiped out the fields. That was really depressing. My dream was to learn some new technology to control the pathogens effectively. So after all the education, I came to the US and started working on agtech industry. Our company is focused on little blight control because it's causing close to $7 billion loss globally for potato production. The chemical fungicides are used for the late blight prevention, however, a lot of problems. Late blight has developed resistance. Some of the chemicals are toxic, and it's very slow and expensive to develop one chemical product. So we urgently need some eco-friendly solutions to control late blight effectively in an economical approach. The market size is big. Our serviceable obtainable market size is around $287 million. Our solution is an eco-friendly peptide-based product. First, we use AI and machine learning to find some critical targets in late blight. Then identify peptide ligands that could bind to those targets using our patented protein evolution technology. After binding, the late blight infection process will be stopped. Eventually, the product will be aerial spray products in the field. We have really clear competitive advantages. Compared to the chemical products, we will use much less time, much less money, and develop a safer product. Because of the robustness of our technology, we could manage disease-resistant issue really well. And we have a much easier and manageable process for regulatory pathway. Compared to the biological products based on the microbes, we are better than them in terms of production and regulatory because we are using specific peptides to make our product. We have a better understanding for mode of action. We have interviewed over 160 customers through the whole supply chain, and we learned the organic farmers really urgently need our solution to control some devastating pathogens in their field. Also, the conventional growers are also interested in eco-friendly products because of different reasons. Our go-to-market strategy is we first produce our product for late blight control, then license the product to seed supplying companies or agri-retailers. Those companies will sell the products to the farmers. Until now, we are close to finish proof of concept of our first product for late blight control. Also, we have two other indications, citrus greening and soybean cyst nematode, for future markets. We have raised over $2 million. In the near future, we need $500,000 to finish our proof of concept in the field. Then we will need $3 to $4 million in the next 3 years to develop our product, also launch the product. The $2 million we have raised include equity investment and non-diluted funding from federal and state governments. We are really small, we cannot do everything. The partners Bayer Crop Science, Ryan, and one USD ARS lab has helped us to identify our product leads. One local company, Global Ag, is helping us to find out the regulatory pathway, also the product development process. Ag Launch is helping our business development, also setting up some field trials. Innatrix was founded by Dr. Marshall Agel after he retired from UNC as a professor. Marshall is a well-known expert in microbiology and molecular biology. Dr. John Selmarin is our R&D director. He is a very successful entrepreneur in AgTech field. He is leading all the R&D efforts, also the partnership building. Dr. Pam Maroon, one of the most respected industry leaders in biological space. She has founded 3 AgTech companies, all successfully exited. She is helping and supporting Innatrix business development and product development tremendously. I have 20 years experience in AgTech industry, developed 4 different disease control products, and have raised over $1 million. Eventually, we will be an ideal buyout target by ag chemical companies because our unique mode of action and eco-friendly solution will be a really great supplement for their portfolio. The recent venture capital exit for a few similar AgTech companies make us be confident we will exit successfully. Overall, our solution is sustainable because our peptides are biodegradable in the field. We are inhibiting the late blight infection but not cure the late blight. So the regulatory cost and the time will be manageable. Our AI discovery platform enabled us to develop broad spectrum, also specific product for late blight control. And our proprietary protein evolution technology could make us make the product durable in the field. Overall, our strong team, also the great partners, will make sure we could produce the product and also bring the product to the market fast with low cost. Thank you for your attention.